Hello viewers, welcome back once again. Sorry it has been a while here, still I posted my last video. So today in this video, I'm going to show you something interesting. So it is like when you want to, usually when you browse for any article, you want to watch a news, it won't happen at the same time. That is if you want to watch a news, like say here, you go to YouTube and you
There's a
search
lot
for
of
any
anger and
news channel
frustration with the local residents and community.
and you watch a news like this, your favorite news channel. I'm just taking here Sky News here. So this is live you're watching here, but if you want to browse for any article, you will open another tab, just like clicking the three dots and will be clicking new tab, but you won't be able to watch the news and read the article at the same time, like how you sit in front of your TV and browse an article in your phone. So either you have to put it in an audio mode and then browse for an article, or you need to have a picture in picture mode, but it will be very small. But this can be done two things, that is as if you watch in front of your favorite TV and browse an article in your phone. This can be done also in your phone at the same time by using a feature called split screen available. So I will show you how. So I have already opened an article here in another browser. So just click the Recents menu, like on the bottom right, bottom left, you can see a small white color square button. On the middle, it is the home button. On the right, it is the back arrow button. That is if you need to go one step back. So here, I'm just going to press and hold the news channel browser. So as you can see, I'm just pressing and hold. You'll have the three tabs here. I will explain about split screen in another video here. So it will be a little detailed if I explain here. So on the top you can see there are three buttons here on the right side. On the top you can see there are two rectangle, and I'm going to click on it. It is the split screen feature. As you can see, the one with the video has gone over the top, and now you have the option to choose any other app here. And since I have opened an article in another browser, I'm going to tap on it. As you can see here on the top now, you are able to watch the news. So I'm going to click on it and then tap the bottom right, the square button which is for full screen, and see here it's so neat, right? So on the bottom, as you can see, I'm scrolling the article from the internet of my interest. At the same time, on the top, I'm able to watch the news as if I'm sitting in front of my TV and browsing my phone screen. So this is how you do. So without split screen, what you can do this, but what happens is either you will watch the news and you will swap the app at the same time once in a while. Sorry, you won't be able to swap the app at the same time. You will be either watching the news and you will not be reading the article, or you will be reading the article by putting the news channel at the background and hearing it as an audio. So this is how you will do here. As you can see, you can also in the middle you can see here there's a white line that is used to adjust the screen size here. So see, if you want the screen to be big, I can adjust here any one browser. So on the top it doesn't make much difference here, so I will just scroll even further up. As you can see, this looks very neat, right? On the bottom, the reading is very easy. So this is how you do. So the only one thing is the app should support the split screen feature, and also if your phone is big, screen size is big, or it is very rectangular, as it is in my case, it will be very handy. Other than that, you can use. So that's it. So I've just minimized the audio here, and so the reason the audio is not
Environment with
hearing,
a
as you can see.
difficult situation where depth.
So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video, as you will find it very useful. So this is how you do by watching a news channel and reading an article at the same time. It doesn't mean the news channel. Even if you have any OTT apps, you can watch a movie and browse any article or like in Wikipedia or in browser or any other thing at the same time. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel to support me, and please like this video and share with your friends as it will be very handy and useful to them. Bye bye.